In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can put an image behind text in Microsoft Paint. So let's get started. Go ahead and do in the search bar and simply type Paint. Click on it under the best match. Now here we just need to simply click on the File tab, click on Open, and we're going to put a picture. Okay, so we have this image here. So let me just, okay. So with this image, simply click on this on the side, the circle on the side, okay, like that. And then click on this text symbol, okay? And simply type your text in here. So I'm just going to type here tree, okay? And then I'm going to increase the font size, make it bold as a letter, and change the font style, okay? So once done, click on this one, select the square symbol, and then select the word. Okay, so once you have selected the word, drag it to the image, and then we can now minimize this blank sheet, and that's it. That's how you can easily put an image behind text in Microsoft Paint. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.